Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone they are having a beautiful day on this beautiful day in Johannesburg, South Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, do not forget to subscribe for Uthando Nestembo, as they've been nominated for Best Non-Scripted TV Series nominees by National Film and TV Awards. Yes, our very own Uthando Nestembo has been nominated by National Film and TV Awards. So we must all vote for them so that we can continue watching all the drama that comes with Uthando Nestembo in our TVs every day. Not every day, twice a week. Yes, Uthando Nestembo plays every 2 days a week. So imagine if they can actually start playing every day. That will be so much fun. We'll have drama reload every day. Yes, we must all vote for Uthando Nestembo and say yes, they are the best non-scripted TV series on our TVs. I know most people, they've been saying, Pana, we don't know about the non-scripted part, but hey, sometimes it does feel like it is scripted, sometimes it doesn't feel like that. So yes, at the end of the day, it is what it is. So we need to vote for Uthando Nestembo so that we may continue watching it, as we all know that they are busy preparing for season 9 that is coming next year. Yes, Umakwela did say on her live that season 9 was coming next year, but she did not specifically say when exactly. She was even cautious about guys, I don't even know if am I allowed to even be talking about Uthando Nestembo, the season 9, the upcoming season 9 of Uthando Nestembo, if I should even be saying anything. I'm not even sure when I'm allowed to say what I even just said now. So we definitely know that Uthando Nestembo season 9 is coming, because we've been seeing Abogel going for the shoots and doing the makeups, and yes, definitely it is coming. So if we want to continue watching it, we must do our part as well and vote for Uthando Nestembo so that they may not be away from our screen. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe with all the Uthando Nestembo updates. Thank you.